Now we're going to use the polygon, and we're going to use the Eclipse Tool, and we use a square, and we're going to have a three-sided square, which is a triangle. Yes, and we're going to make this little flag here. So, on the rectangle tool, the color is going to be 244, 128, 118. $244, 128, 118. There's our color. And we got our square. We're going to choose star. Because notice right now you don't have any options to choose your sides. So we're going to come down here. Let's see. Oh, sorry, polygon, not square. Polygon. My mistake. Choose Polygon Tool. And then come up here. Now we can choose three sides. And in here we can select, make sure star and indent space by 70% should be fine. Sorry, we're going to deselect. Here's our options on the top bar. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 things. So let's do it. So first of all, we're going to select right here the fill pixels, so it fills it. We're going to select here, we're going to deselect star because it's not a star anymore, and the sides are going to be 3. Okay.
That's an active layer too. Oh.
So now we have a triangle. So let's put our triangle in here. Boom. And I created a new layer, and I'll call that layer flag. And we got it. Now we're going to type October 2nd. That's the date of our tournament. Our text is going to be white. And I'm going to bring down this font size. Okay, so notice that October 2nd doesn't really fit. If you hit Command T, you can transform the text so it fits right into our flag. So I'm going to fit it right in there. Enter. And I forgot the ND, so I'm going to hit ND on there. Okay, so Command T, transform. Hold on the Shift key when you transform so that it doesn't ruin the proportions. And then we're good. October 2nd. Okay, next, with October 2nd layer selected, we're going to merge down our polygon shape layer tool into a single layer 3. Okay, so notice here we have October 2nd and flag, and if we want to move one, they're separate. So we're going to merge the text and the flag together so that it's one. So all you're going to do is select October 2nd, right click or control click, and we're going to select merge down. Sorry, not that one. Sorry, don't command click. You're going to click on these three little lines here next to the opacity. And then after you do that, you're going to hit merge down. Or command E. And basically now it's just flag and there's no text and it's all one object now. Okay, next you see this flag? We're going to distort it so it looks like it's more real in terms of a shape. So I'm going to hit command T. And if you hold down the command key, you'll notice that it turns into a little pointer. And with this pointer, I can move my flag so it looks like 3D. Not 3D, maybe 2D. So I did that.
How bad should we do it?
That's up to you. Okay, next we're going to insert a shape. We're going to load the shape. To load the shape, we need to go get that file, okay, to load the shape. So if you go to the class website, go to golf ball, and we're going to save that golf ball file to your desktop. And we're going to go back to our Photoshop, and we're going to go into our shapes layer. And we're going to choose custom, and the custom is this crazy looking shape right here. I call this a doodad. It's a custom shape tool. And then up here you'll see shape options, and this is like where you can find your callouts for comics or animal shapes. And to get to the different shapes, you just click on this little arrow and it shows you all the different shapes it has. But for our case, we are going to load a shape because we have our own shape that we saved to our desktop. It's the golf ball. And I'm going to go in here and select golf balls, hit load. And now I have my golf ball shape. I'm going to select that. And we're going to choose the first one right here. Shape layers. And next, we're going to put that golf ball right into our eclipse. So go ahead, draw that. Mine's not going to look pretty, but I'll try to make it work. And you can choose a color that you want it to be. I'm going to choose white. So just change your color here, go to white, hit OK. Put in our ball. We got a white layer. Once you're done putting it in, hit the A key on your keyboard, and I'm going to hit yes, I'm good. Dismiss target path. Okay? Next, with this golf, we're going to choose the Bevel and Emboss. Bevel and Emboss. So go to the function, and right here it says Bevel and Emboss. So choose that. And you'll notice that it has a little bit better effect to our golf ball. So hit Bevel and Embed, and hit OK.
It's already saying Polygon, grading, and then the quick shape.
If you want to make those details to the bevel, you can, according to the directions, but I'm just going to bevel it. And we are finished.